how to make banana cue, di ba?
We've been here too long. I can't breathe, I can't take it slow. We're far away from home, but I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Oh, nah, nah. Give me a sign and tell me when to.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Anong petsa na, di ba? So today, you guys, I don't know what day today because I just don't care anymore. I'm saying, besides of not doing anything, we keep eating, right? So today, since I am bored, at saka nakapag-makeup na rin ako, cause why not? Isarado yan kasi walang laman yan. Since we're staying home, you guys, and we're not going anywhere because, you know, we tried not to catch Rona. Like I'm saying, Rona. And today, you guys, I'll be showing it to you how to make maruya, okay? I mean, maruya in Bisaya. I think banana cue in Tagalog. English yun eh. I think we call this sweet plantain. Plantain. I don't care. Basta this is the merienda of the people. Sweet plantain with caramelized sugar. In Bisaya, maruya. So you guys, if you didn't know, this is our source of income. When I was in high school, we used to baligya maruya. We're from Davao. You're familiar with this? So I'm from City High, so maruya is life, okay? Pantawid goto, saging or banana has always a special place in my heart, o diba? How to make a perfect maruya. That's what happens when you are bored AF. Okay, so let's do it. Sweet plantain with caramelized sugar. It's good for if you have a diabetes. It's perfect. And you guys do know I am master of this. I went to supermarket at Beaufort Highway. You know what? For me, this is such a good banana. See, it's pretty good. Diba? No rice, no problem. Eat banana. So I'm cooking this one. Yeah, see? Yeah, dito po kami, when I was in high school, ito po ang kinabubuhay ng aking pamilya. I used to take a big bucket of banana or maruya. My neighbors knows that. And you know, I'm very proud of it. Yeah, this is such a good banana. Diba? We're expert. Yeah, see? It's done. I don't know if rich people eat this, but you know, for poor people like me, this is like heaven. When you cook banana, it's supposed to have like, anong tawag dun? Yung bang, yung malalim na lalagyan ba? But since I don't have that, I'm using this one. Yan, kainitin natin yan. I'm using canola oil. Ito lang. At saka, I'm using a brown sugar. So, ganito yan, guys. I felt like maruya is national merienda of the students. Diba? Kasi mura. As far as I remember before, mother ko, after school, I help her. Yung ano namin, yung binibenta namin, we used to sell like 3 pesos for 1 piece of banana and a half, 3 pesos yun. Tapos, yung juice, 3 pesos din. But if you're a student, juice and saging, 5 pesos na lang. Can you guys still buy like 3 pesos worth of maruya? When I went visit home, it was 10 pesos. And I was like, dahil? Ang mahal. Kaya, huwag magreklamo pag walang kanin, kumain ka ng saging, okay? Pag nagluluto kayo nito, make sure that there's a lot of oil and make sure it's hot. Like, parang hot, basta. Ganun. Kaya para bongga. My mom went to the market. I was the one who's doing the cooking. So, that's why I know how to make this one. O diba? Reliable na anak. Ano ka ba? Rona made me do this, okay? Walang yak ng corona ka. So yung oil dito, mainit na. So gagawin natin, we're gonna put the banana. O, tingnan mo, oh. Mainit na mainit yan. Lagay natin yan. Yan. So I need to make sure that this thing is well cooked. And then we're gonna put the sugar and let the sugar melt. So this smell reminds me of my yesterday. You know? Yung amoy, yung bango ng saging at saka ng oil. The smell of this maruya take me back to, you know, when I was in high school. Fun times, fun days. Put the sugar. Tapos, atin dyan. That should be enough. I-caramelize lang natin yung sugar para dumikit. Did you guys see this? This is sugar na parang naluluto na. So, we're gonna mix this para magdikit sa saging. You see the sugar, guys? This is ready to rumble. Charot. Didikit siya. So, the sugar is cooked. Galing. Ay, galing ko na. Galing ko pa pala. I'm still good at it. Ayun, di ba? Ay, nakuday. Sarap nito, day. O, di ba? Perfect. O, di ba? Ay, I'm so happy. I still know how to make them. Galing ko pa pala. My mother will be very proud of me. Just make sure na bantayan nyo kasi para hindi masunog ba. Look at that. O, diba? Yung sugar nagka-caramelize at saka dumidikit siya. Yes, please. So, we're going to transfer this here. Yung sugar talaga, oh. Yan. And of course, para talaga damdam na damdam ko na nasa Pilipinas ako, I have my skewer. At saka tutusukin ko siya. This is so good. Perfect. See you guys, yung sugar niya. Come on, sugar, come on. Hack. I'm so happy! Ay, sarap. Sweet plantain with caramelized sugar. Maruya sa Bisaya pa. Sayang, I don't have juice or I don't have Coke. I don't really drink soda, so I don't have it. So, tubig-tubig na lang muna. Ayan. Tsaka, napicturan ko na. Kain na tayo. You guys see that? That's a sugar. This banana is perfect for this because it's just perfect. Ang tawag. It's like parang perfect consistency lang siya ba? Kasi if it's too ripe, it's not good. The outside is so crunchy. Listen to that, guys. Ba? So good. Just make sure na you cook the banana first. Ang sarap nito pag may kape, may Coke. This is my dinner. Dinner ko na to. Sarap. I would like to say thank you to my mother at how to cook this. Sarap. Perfect. Perfect, my merienda. Anyways, you guys, that's it for my video. Sa mga nagre-request, so ito na yon. Ha? Ito na yon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this vlog. I hope you like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's be friends, because why not? I mean, you know what I'm saying? And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye-bye.
I just want